Hi, this is Satirs from ProBloggingSchool.com. Today's a bit of advice I would like to just give you, which I found really good and has been really beneficial to me since I found out about it, is to, stop working hard, okay, and start working more smart, alright? Working hard's good, working hard's good. I mean, I work hard myself sometimes as well, and hard work always helps to put your business forward and do stuff and so on for periods of time, right? But once you get, if you do the right type of business and if you work smart as well as doing a bit of hard work, you will find that a lot of your business can be made more passive. It can be you can automate a lot of stuff, and you can make basically make revenue streams that continue to come in. You could go and you could do work and you could get paid continually for it, okay? So you can basically get paid, work once and get paid for a very long time. So that is the difference between working smart and working hard. When you're working hard, you're going to a job every day, you're selling your time, you're selling yourself, you're having to be somewhere for a certain time every day, and you're only getting a fixed amount of wage. And a lot of people think that they're not getting enough money doing this, and what they do is then they look for another job and another job, and they end up, I did this in the past myself, they end up with 3 or 4 jobs, working 95 hours a week or 80 hours a week or 60 hours a week, and they really don't have a life, and they don't have any time, and then they basically spend the extra money they get on taxes or on just on doodads and stuff, things they really don't need, and just continue like on a it's just like basically like a hamster in a wheel. They just keep doing the same thing over and over again, and expecting a different result, and that won't happen, right? So the first thing you need to do is you need to stop working so hard all the time, and you need to start working smart, okay? You need to start working smart. I personally blog, so one of the things I do for my income is I blog online. So if you would like to find out more about me, find out more about what I do, and so on and so forth, if you just visit my website, it's ProBloggingSchool.com. That's PROBLOGGING school SCHOOL.com. If you find this video useful, if you would just like to hit the subscribe button just below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, so you can get my next videos when they come out. As well as that, if you find the video useful, if you just give us a wee rate underneath and a comment, that would also be much appreciated. And like I said again, you can find the link for my website below this video. Thanks very much. Talk to you again soon.